Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sean Liu. If you have recently been advised to undergo arthroscopic surgery, it's completely understandable to feel a little uncertain. The word surgery can sound intimidating, but today, I'd like to walk you through what arthroscopic surgery actually involves and why it's often much less daunting than it sounds. Arthroscopy is a minimally invasive procedure used to diagnose and treat joint conditions, particularly in the knee and shoulder. Instead of making a large incision, we create 2 or 3 small entry points, just large enough to insert a tiny camera called an arthroscope, and specialized instruments. The camera sends a clear image to a monitor, allowing us to examine the joint in detail and carry out precise treatments. This approach is commonly used for conditions such as meniscal tears, cartilage injuries, loose bodies in the joint, and ligament damage. Here's why it's less intimidating than you might think. Because the incisions are small, there's usually less disruption to the surrounding tissues, shorter recovery periods, and in many cases, reduced post-operative discomfort. Most arthroscopic procedures are performed as day surgeries, meaning patients are often able to return home the same day, depending on their overall condition. Here's what to expect before, during, and after surgery. Before surgery, we carry out a thorough clinical examination and review your scans, typically an MRI, to ensure arthroscopy is the right approach for your condition. During the procedure, we gently fill the joint with sterile fluid to create a space and improve visibility. Once the treatment is complete, instruments are removed and the small incisions are closed with sutures or adhesive tapes. Recovery is usually structured and supported by physiotherapy. Most patients begin basic movements quite early, followed by gradual strengthening and mobility work. Here's the key. Arthroscopic surgery is designed to be less invasive, more targeted, and supportive of a smoother recovery. While the idea of surgery may feel overwhelming at first, understanding what to expect can help you approach it with greater confidence. Your recovery journey is unique. The right treatment begins with clear information, professional guidance, and a plan tailored just for you. Your journey to better movement starts now. Heal better, move better, and live better.